Hello, my name is Robert James. I'm going to show you today how to log into Helperbird. One of the great things about Helperbird is we have two methods of logging in. One, you can log in using the email that you've logged in to your browser with on Google Chrome, which you'd be using a Google account, or on Microsoft Edge, where you can log in with your Microsoft account. Our second method is using a subscription key if you're a Helperbird Pro subscriber, or if your school or business signed up for Helperbird Pro Unlimited, where you're given a subscription key and you can enter it in the settings to unlock all the wonderful features. So I'm going to start today with the automatic login using a Gmail account because I'm on Google Chrome. But if you're on Microsoft Edge, the steps are the exact same. And if you want to sign in with your Microsoft account into Google Chrome, you can use the subscription key method. So we're going to click on the Helperbird icon on the top right of our browser. We're welcome to the Helperbird app, and you can see that on the top right we're prompted to log in. We're going to click the settings cog, a menu will appear, and we're going to choose either account or log in. Once I click log in, I'm welcome to a new tab, which is our settings page. And at the top section is our subscription/login. You can see we have two methods, log in with our Google account or our subscription key. So we're going to start by clicking on our login with your Google account. It will ask us, can we have permission to see or know your email? We're going to click allow. And you can see the confetti happened. That is because I've successfully logged in, and also that my @helperbird.com email has a subscription. So it's unlocked all the pro features. So this email, robert.gabriel@helperbird.com, is the same email that's up here. And if this email was to change, we would log in automatically with the same email. One thing to note, to get this method to work, you'll need to have sync turned on. So if it's off, make sure it's on if you wish to use this method. One of the benefits of using this method is that it can automatically do the check and keep you logged in forever. If I wish to switch the email, I can always click add here and log in using the appropriate login credentials. And just to make sure that our Helperbird Pro subscription is working, we can also open up the Helperbird app, and we can see that we have Helperbird Pro Unlimited, and all the features are now unlocked. The second method is logging in using a subscription key. So if we scroll down a little further, you'll see the option for login with your subscription key. Your subscription key is emailed to you, or your school or business will provide you with one. So you copy and paste your subscription key and you paste it in here. And once you click save, we will default check, do you have a Helperbird Pro subscription? So I'm clicking the button, and you can see the confetti has happened, meaning we have a successful Helperbird Pro subscription. And we're just going to verify that again. And you can see it now says Helperbird Pro. And that's how you log in to Helperbird, through the automatic login or through a subscription key. And of course, if you need any more help, you can contact a member of our support staff, which are available through email or our live chat or social media channels.